Welcome, and thank you for joining today's positive affirmation session. Affirmations are incredibly powerful. They can motivate you to do certain things, help you focus and concentrate on the goals in your life. They give you the power to change any negative thoughts, and of course replace them with something positive. We are what we think, so why not think really good thoughts? Get comfortable, close your eyes, and listen to my voice. The subconscious mind will do all the work. If you want to repeat the affirmations, you can, but you don't have to. The mind is listening. So let's get started. Thank you for the opportunities that I had, that I will have. Thank you for the amazing blessings in my life. Thank you for allowing me to wake up each morning and experience a new day. Thank you for the ability to think logically and clearly. Thank you for the ability to be able to do what I want. Thank you for the ability to breathe. Thank you for all the opportunities in my life. Thank you for the things that make me smile. Thank you for the things that delight me. Thank you for the countless things that bring a smile to my face. Thank you for the things that feel good. Thank you for allowing me to feel good every day. Thank you for the new day that begins each morning. Thank you for the passion I have inside me. Thank you for the ideas that grow and inspire my life. Thank you for the joy I feel. Thank you for all the good that is around me and in me. Thank you for this body. Thank you for the health of this body. Thank you for the arms. Thank you for the legs. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for allowing me to use this body. Thank you for the financial success that I have today. Thank you for the financial success that I will have tomorrow. Thank you for bringing prosperity to my life. Thank you for the ability to dream. Thank you for the ability to bring my dreams to life. Thank you for giving me the creativity while I dream. Thank you for the loving relationships that I have in my life. Thank you for that special friend that I can lean on. Thank you for the loving relationships that I create. Thank you for the loving relationships that I will have. Thank you for the plants, the animals, and the food that I have to eat and enjoy. Thank you for the beauty around me. Thank you for allowing my mind to expand. Thank you for keeping my mind open and willing to change. Thank you for allowing me to grow. Thank you for the solutions to my problems. expanding my mind and perception of the world. Thank you for the space I have around me. Thank you for the focus I have. Thank you for the dedication I have to the things I love. Thank you for the challenges that I have been through that have helped me become who I am today. Thank you for the challenges that will come, that will help me grow even more. Thank you for the confidence that I have in myself. Thank you for the change in my life. Thank you for giving me opportunities to change. Thank you for my life. Thank you for those who protect me. Thank you for those who I protect. Thank you for those who teach and inspire me to grow. Thank you for the new experiences ahead of me. Thank you for all the old experiences I've had in my life. Thank you for the gifts I have received. Thank you for the people in my life. Thank you for the love I feel. Thank you for the abundance that has found me. Thank you for the abundance that will find me. Thank you for the energy that I feel today. Thank you for allowing me to wake up every morning and experience this wonderful life. Thank you for me. Thank you to me for being me.